Hey there, today we're going to look at how to build a landing page with System.io. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to System.io. Over here, log in with your email and password, then click the sign in button. After that, on the dashboard, hover over the websites tab and click on sales funnels. Then click the create button, type a name for your funnel, choose custom, select your preferred currency and click save. Over here, click on the name of your funnel, then click add step. After that, name the step, set the step type to sales page and choose a template. Then edit the page content by adding a headline, subheading, text, images, and a call to action button. Over here, create a form to capture email addresses, then go to the automation section to set up an email sequence. After that, review your landing page and click publish to make it live. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next